Yo, today I'm gonna show you 3 easy ways to bridge in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, PC Edition. So let's start. So first off, we got safe bridging. Safe bridging is pretty self-explanatory. You just have to go back 5 blocks and hold the right click and walk forward. See? Pretty easy, right? Now, the second bridging method is called jump bridging, and it's much harder than like safe bridging. So yeah, let's go. Now for jump bridging, you gotta look forward and then hold your mouse, look down and run and jump. Yeah, let's try that again. Look forward, hold your mouse and look down. Then boom, you're jump bridging. It's so easy, bro. Now, you might need some more practice with this because this is harder than like at the first one, but you just do that. It's easy when you get the hang of it. Now, for the last bridging method, I call this God bridging in Bedrock Edition. You start off with a safe bridge, look back, and then boom. Just hold your mouse and you're literally doing that. You can do this to like troll people in lifeboat because like Bedwars lifeboat is people that are very bad. And they will think you're a hacker. So yeah, that's all. Bye. Oh wait, you're still here? Bro, please subscribe. I need you to subscribe. I need a new PC. Bro, please.